Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. In this video, I'm going to share very beautiful, very trendy, amazing and eye-catchy design ideas of very easy, simple neckline hand embroidery design ideas. Friends, all of these neckline embroidery ideas could be used to make a number of hand embroidered, hand work, thread work, hand painting, thread painting design ideas. So these were the different terminologies, different names that had been termed for only one thing, that is hand embroidery. So now the main important and the basic question, that where you can use these hand embroidery design ideas. So the answer to this question is very simple, that you can use these very beautiful and easy to make hand embroidery neckline design ideas onto your shirts, tops, blouse, frocks, gowns, maxi, sari blouse, or any type of shirt, or hand embroidered, blended, handmade, hand knitted cardigans, sweaters, ponchos, round necks, turtlenecks, and many more creative sweatshirts and creativities to your baby girls as well. You can also make these very easy neckline embroidery patterns onto your baby girls dress designs like shirts, skirts, and frocks. So very simple, very easy hand embroidery stitches like boolean knot, French knot, satin stitch, Brazilian embroidery, some very easy and simple stitches, beginner friendly embroidery, artist friendly stitches like lazy daisy stitch, chain stitch, stamp stitch has been used, and some very pretty designer style ideas I shared with you. So if you are an embroidery artist or you are looking for very easy designer style embroidery patterns, then this video collection is absolutely for you. And subscribe my channel for more creative videos, for more stylish fashion trends. And if you really like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you are watching my video for the very first time. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Until then, take care of yourselves, stay blessed and stay motivated, and do watch our content on daily basis.